Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be continuing our review starting with number 9. So as we look at this is the same exact stuff as we've been going through. So I'm going to go attack it the same exact way. First step, you look for distribution. I have parentheses, so I know I have distribution. So I know I have 6 times 3 plus, finish our distribution, 6 times negative d plus 2d equals 24. Okay? Now I'm just going to actually do the multiplication. So I'm at 18 minus 6d plus 2d equals 24. Step 1a is done. That's all distribution is. Now I'm on to step 1b, combining like terms on each side. I look on this side, I'm going to box up my terms. Here's a d term, and here's a d term. Those can be combined. So negative 6d plus 2d is actually negative 4d. Those are gone. The 18 has nothing to combine with. So now I'm at plus 18 because that was a positive 18. And now that will equal 24. Now we're at a problem that we've already looked at. This looks exactly like another number we've done. I don't know off the top of my head. But now do I have variables on both sides? Step 2? No. So I'm done with step 2. Step 3, I look on the side that has the variable and I get rid of the term without the variable. So I'm going to get rid of the 18. If I do it to one side, I got to do it to the other. So I'm at negative 4d equals 6. Last step, divide each side by negative 4. So then you get d equals negative 1.5. And then if you, like I said, remember, if you don't know how to do this, I just want to call it up again. You would have your Desmos and you would just type in 6 divided by negative 4. You have your answer here, and then you could also put it as a fraction. I just want to make sure I repeated that one more time. Okay. And this is why you're going to need it before. That's why I went over it there. So before we do number 10, steps don't change, just the problems do. Any distribution? Nope, we don't have any parentheses. Any like terms to combine? Yes, because I have w's on each side. I have a fourth of a w and a half of a w. So for everyone that's so scared of fractions right now throughout our course, you will be working with them. But you can simply type 1/4. This is the key. You have to click over to make sure the plus symbol goes here. Okay? Make sure you do that. If you convert it to 0.75, you're fine. This would be easier though. So we're at 3/4 w plus 5 equals 11. Okay? Now this is something we've been solving the whole time. I need to get rid of the plus 5, so I'm going to minus 5. Now I'm at 3/4 w equals 11. And I apologize, I should have clicked back over. So we went from this step, we combined like terms to get to here. Then we looked, okay, our variable's only one on side. We were good with step 2. Step 3 said get rid of every other term on that side. I'm done with that. Now this is where I noticed people were starting to have problems. Remember, if you have to get rid of a fraction, get rid of the denominator first. Let's just get rid of the denominator. The opposite of dividing by 4, which is what a denominator really means, divide by 4, is to multiply by 4. And I have to do it to both sides. So now I'm left with 3w equals 44. Final step, divide each side by 3, and I'll be left with w equals 44 thirds, or 14.6 repeating, or 44 thirds. It's actually in lowest terms. So if you leave it as 44 thirds, that's fine. If you write this For full credit, you have to put that bar on the top. You have to tell me that it's repeating, because if not, you're just not right. Okay? Now, we will not be going over number 11. I will not be giving you a problem like that on this test. I will review it in class later on, but with us being remote this whole time, I've been trying to limit what we work on. So that goes over questions 9 and 10, and I will continue